Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of 50cc motorcycles with the Neco NC50 Crossbox, a supermoto inspired machine that promises big bike aesthetics in a learner friendly package. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. At first glance, the NC50 Crossbox stands out with this aggressive supermoto styling. From the inverted telescopic front forks to the 17-inch alloy wheels. It's clear that Neco aimed to deliver a bike that looks and feels more substantial than your typical 50cc. So let's talk about the specs of the bike. So first off, the engine. It's a 49.77cc single-cylinder 4-stroke air-cooled double overhead cam, which is very rare for a 50cc motorcycle. So the engine produces 3.2 kilowatt at 10,000 RPM. 3.3 Newton meters of torque at 8,500 RPM. It also has a 5-speed manual gearbox with Bosch fuel injection system. Brakes front and rear, hydraulic discs, suspension, inverted telescopic front and monoshock rear. So tyre sizes, front 90, 80, 17 and the rear is a 120, 70, 17. The bike has a seat height of 790 millimeters and the weight is 103 kilograms. Fuel capacity runs at 6 litres and the price is $2,399 plus on the road charges. On the road, the NC50 Crossbox offers a smooth and predictable ride. The 5-speed manual gearbox provides better control compared to twist-and-go CVT systems, making it an excellent choice for those looking to learn gear management. Suspension setup handles city potholes and uneven surfaces with ease, and the upright seating position ensures good visibility and comfort during longer rides. While it's limited to 28 miles an hour due to licensing regulations, the NC50 doesn't feel sluggish. The Bosch AFI system ensures responsive throttle input and the bike accelerates briskly within its speed constraints. Braking is confident thanks to the hydraulic discs on both ends, providing ample stopping power for urban environments. The Neco NC50 Crossbox is more than just a 50cc bike. It's a statement, perfect for learners and urban commuters who want style without compromising on functionality. If you're in the market for a beginner-friendly motorcycle that doesn't look or feel entry-level, this could be the one. Thanks for joining us on this ride and review of the Neco NC50 Crossbox. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips. And if you've got questions or want to share your thoughts on the NC50, drop a comment below. And as always, don't forget to ride safe, and we'll see you all on the next video.